nào chẳng được mẹ. Hi everybody, this is a Kristen Higgins. This is a brand Kristen Higgins. So later, about 2 minutes later, I will show you the chimes. So it's on the Winchester chime. It's a moving moon dial. This on 29th. There. It's near reach of the 4 o'clock, but up here the dial, it's a little bit scratching or dings. This is a hand painted dial. And hand painted ship up there. Weights. Scratches of the weights there. Down there. Just lots of scratches there. And it's antique. Just have scratches on the panel. Up, reach up there. What's it? So this is a moving moon dial. Now the moon is gone, but the date is today. It's nearly the moon is gone. One more day. Okay, so I'll play the chimes for you. 4 o'clock. Wait just a little bit. It's on the Winchester chimes. Let's see. It will struck 4 o'clock. Let that. There's a Winchester chime at 4 o'clock. I'll strike. Now I move it down to the Whittington. Oops. I'll just move it down a little bit. There. So I'll show you later on quarter past 4. I will show you the Whittington, half Westminster, and back to the quarter 2 is mean the 4:45. So I move it back to Winchester. This thing is not marked. There's no which one is here. And this is a this does not have a night silent position. Scratches here, scratches on the panel. This is the chain drive, ergos movement. They just have one side of the levers here. Like the Howard Millers, they just have another design controls the strike, night silence, silent here, and this is a Westminster, as a silence, Westminster, Whittington, and St. Michael's. But this one is a Westminster, Whittington, Winchester. So it just had a moving. Không ạ, không sao đâu ạ. Like this. To move. Let's do this back. Yeah, August, July, September, October. To the half of September and October. This does not have a second hand steeper, and on the Kinger, the moon dial is up here, but it just have this and this here,
Nè,
just that, and the
mẹ nó vô rồi.
square in down there. There's lots of scratches on the dial.
Tung nhà con nhé.
This is a
Tung ở nhà nhé.
wall
Đi mua cái ông bà không?
and frame. I just this is a flat glass.
Được không?
Just here, lots of scratches on the glass.
Bà đèo sao được không? Hay là không đèo?
That's
Ê, con thì ngồi đằng sau đi mà.
yes, opening number 5. Corpus. Just lock the door. For this nighttime, when I sleep over at my grandma and grandpa's house. This is my grandma and grandpa's house. So this must just be the first thing I'll show you. And the next thing, when I go to the clock shop and I get back and I show you it strikes, that's just a bim bam, half hour on the hour and a half hour straight. It doesn't have a tall like this. It's just a like this dial, but this doesn't have this bowl up there, and just a rectangular clock, rectangular prism clock. It's a wall clock, but I just put it down in my grandpa's bed or on the floor. So it doesn't have, that one doesn't have it doesn't have a weight clock. It's not self-tone. It's made in Russia. It's a crystal clock. So it just have two keyholes here. This is, I think it's not brass dial. It's not hand painted. It has just a little bit scratches there. And goodbye.